Okay, so this is the video file. Okay, this is our logo.svg. This is an svg file, so it's a coded, and this logo is coming from font awesome. Okay, coming from font awesome. This is a preloader. If you notice, when that thing is playing from the original file there, where's the original again? From the original video player. Okay. So you notice when this thing is playing, what's this? I need to have a view. If I refresh this now, a preloader will come up. This preloader. So I want to be sure what is showing here. Okay, so that's the preloader that is loading there. So this one is a GIF. GIF is just like image, animated image. Animated image are motion images. Okay, and this means graphics interchange formats. Graphics interchange with formats. Okay, so now this is our basic HTML file. So we have to work on this, right? So what we are going to do in this case, let's pass in let's get our preloader first. So we're going to pass our preloader inside a div with a class of preloader. So then we are now going to pass the image of the preloader here. So we are passing it inside img. So img. Then we're going to give it a class of preloader underscore item, preloader underscore item, preloader underscore item. I don't know why underscore item. So then inside there the image will now come in. So the image for the preloader is we can just go straight to the preloader.gif for us to have the image there. So if I save this, I go live. So if I save this, I'll go live. You notice that the preloader will be loading on my browser. Preloader will be loading on my browser. So you can see that the preloader is loading. It's going to be loading forever because we've not actually made something that will make this thing to be separated. So I have something like this there because of this preloader is now dead. So the next thing I'm going to pass in here, after I've made my preloader, then I need to get my my header. Okay, so this place, let me comment this one now. This one is going to be the header. The header. I just want to write something inside the header there. So I'm going to pass it inside the header. I'm going to pass it inside a video. Okay, so we still have a video element or a video tag. You know, we have video tag, we have audio tag. Okay, yeah, we have video tag, we have audio tag. Some people, they use embed. I don't know if you see some HTML that use embedded, so that can also bring in videos into your environment. But that one is embedding. Probably you are embedding from YouTube, or you are embedding from any snack source. So that was one. There is a tag like that. So, but in this case, since our video is inside our file, we can easily call our video file so that we control it. So our video tag. So the video tag is going to come in here. So then we give this video tag a class of video container. So let's give it a class of video container container. Okay, center. All right, I have this for my video. Now you can see that the video is just like that, is also looking for what? For a source, Abby. The video is also looking for what? For a source. So the source of our video located at this. So I call my video there. I will still be in a very good shape. If I save this, I'm going to have my video coming out here. But because of this preloader is obstructing this video to what? To play. Okay. So I'm going to pass in another attribute inside this video. I'm going to give it an attribute called type. So video has what? Has a type attribute. So the type attribute is where you now pass in the kind of video that you want to play. So the kind of video I want to play here is video, and the format is MP4. The format is MP4. So my class is still there. If I save this, preloader will still be loading. Okay. The reason why this preloader is still loading is because of the class we pass inside this word preloader. Because this one is coming from the styles. If I comment this guy out or I remove it, then I save, you see that my video is coming. Okay. My video is coming, but this thing is not playing well. Okay, but I'm going to show you what happened that we are able to undo that make that video to be hidden. So let me bring back the class, save it. So the video is not showing again, but I have my preloader that is still loading. Then there's something that you need to pass. You should be able to control your video. Okay, there's an attribute called what? Controls. What control does is that, you know, every video. Okay, this is source SRC. So everybody has what? A control. So what do you pass in your controls? Number one, either you want to make your video to be muted. By default, when it loads, it should not play. Okay, to be muted. Then you now make your autoplay. You make it to be loop. What is the that one doing is so that when the video is finished playing, you should what? Restart. Okay, so that's what we are going to pass in here. Controls muted, then autoplay. Then the last guy that we have in here is a loop. So passing what? Loop. So this is what is going to handle that logic for us. So let's see what's going on here. Let me comment this guy out. Let me just comment all of this out so that we just only see the video itself. So this is it. This is the video. All right, the video is showing on our browser. Okay, now hello, until I play this before it will play. Okay, but since I click on this before the video will play. All right, but if I have removed these attributes, let's say I say autoplay, I save this and I come back here, it will be playing by itself. Okay, it will be playing by itself. So that's the essence of that property there. So let's go back. So let's go back. Muted. So please, this is another trick for. I didn't remove the autoplay, but I said it should be muted. Okay, if you didn't remove the autoplay, then this loop should be space. Autoplay means let it be playing by itself. But since I've said muted, it should be mute, it should not play. Okay, that's that. So muted and autoplay, you may allow it go together,